Today we will talk about some commonly used mispronounced words. In fact, these words are so common that we don't even notice that we are pronouncing them wrong all the time. Let's begin. The first word is bear. I hope you won't pronounce it as beer. That's wrong. It's bear, both as a noun and verb. As a verb, we can say, I can't bear his criticism. As a noun, we can say, bear is a carnivorous animal. So it's bear. It rhymes with air. Another word, bear, also has the same pronunciation, but the different meaning and spellings. So you can also call these homophones. I like to walk on the grass barefooted. Another similar looking or similar sounding word is beer. B-E-E-R. You can pronounce this as beer. Beer is a name for alcoholic beverage. I hope now the difference is clear to you. Let's do it once again. Bear, 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 beer. The second word is pear. It's not pear. P-E-A-R, pear. Pear is my favorite fruit. Third on the list is here. It's not here. Here. Come here. It rhymes with ear. H-E-R-E, here. Number 4 is year. In which year you were born? Remember, it's not year. Add year in the beginning, so it becomes year. Now we are going to talk about silent letters that create a lot of confusion in pronouncing some English words. So our upcoming word is asthma. Asthma is a respiratory disease. In the word, TH is silent. Don't pronounce it as asthma, although this is a very common mispronunciation that is used in Indian English, but it's actually asthma. The next word is damn common, but still pronounced wrong. Sword. The letter W is silent. It's not sword, it's sword. How will you pronounce this word? Tortoise? No, it's actually tortoise. Tortoise. In the first half, T-O-R, R is silent, and in the second half, it's simply tus. There is no use of O-I. Tortoise. A tortoise sleeps for 6 months. Next, we are going to talk about silent B's. Womb. W-O-M-B. B is silent. It's womb. A child lives in her mother's womb for 9 months. Next on the list is tomb. T-O-M-B. B is silent. Tomb. Many people pay homage at the prophet's tomb. Another similar one is plumber. Again, B is silent because it is coming after M. Plumber, not plumber. Call a plumber to fix the leaking taps. The next one is a bit complex. How will you pronounce it? It's air. H is silent. In fact, the last R is also silent in British pronunciation, but not in American pronunciation. So you can choose any of these pronunciations the way you like. Air. It rhymes with air. A-I-R. Ram was the eldest heir of the estate of Ayodhya. The next one is very common. Flower. The last R is silent. It's not flower, but flower. Yes, in American pronunciation, R is uttered, but in British pronunciation, we use flower. Another similar word, but with different spellings and different meaning, is again flour. Refined flour is used in a number of bakery dishes. I hope that would be of some help to you. Please subscribe my channel and share it among your friends and family. Have a good day.